वेलकम टू noises-online-tutor.com। स्टूडेंट, आशा रखता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने मेरा पॉलिनोमियल्स के ऊपर जो 2 वीडियो मैंने अपलोड किया है उसको देखे होंगे। अगर नहीं देखे तो उसको देखने के बाद ही इस वीडियो को देखिए। अगर इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप मुझे स्क्रीन में दिया गया व्हाट्सएप नंबर के थ्रू या मेरा ईमेल आईडी के थ्रू कांटेक्ट करके अपना डाउट क्लियर कर सकते हैं। इस वीडियो में हम डिफाइंड लेवल का पॉलिनोमियल्स का कैलकुलेशन करके दिखाया है। आगे भी बहुत सारे वीडियो को दिखाएंगे, वीडियो में आपको डिफाइंड मैथमेटिक्स को करके दिखाएंगे। ओके, तो देखते हैं आज का मैथमेटिक्स। तो क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द जीरोस ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल्स and verify the relationship between the zeros and their coefficient. Okay, already I have discussed about the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. What was the relation? If alpha beta are two zeros of any quadratic polynomials, then alpha plus beta should be equal to coefficient of minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and alpha beta is equal to constant part of that quadratic equation by coefficient of x square. Okay, this is already shown in earlier videos, that means video number 2. Now how to prove and calculate the zeros. First question is P is a function of x where this is equal to x square plus 2 root 2 x minus 6. First I have to factorize this polynomial. How I could factorize this one? Here coefficient of x square is 1 and constant part is 6, that means 6 into 1 equal to 6 equal to 3 into 2. But here coefficient of x is 2 root 2. I have to calculate those two. I have to find those two factors which could give 2 root 2 after subtracting from one subtract from another. Okay, now I could write this one as 3 root 2 into root 2, where 3 root 2 minus root 2, how much? 2 root 2. Okay, then I have to write x square plus 3 root 2 minus root 2 x minus 6 equal to x square plus 3 root 2 x minus root 2 x minus 6 equal to x into x plus 3 root 2 minus root 2 into x plus 3 root 2 equal to x plus 3 root 2 x minus root 2. To get zeros, this polynomial should be equal to 0 for the value of x. That means x plus 3 root 2 into x minus root 2 should be equal to 0. As these two functions product equal to 0, then every function should be equal to 0 or either any of the function is equal to 0. So that means x equal to minus 3 root 2 or x equal to root 2. Now let alpha equal to minus 3 root 2 and beta equal to root 2 are the two zeros. Okay, then alpha plus beta equal to how much? Minus 3 root 2 plus root 2. This is equal to minus 2 root 2. I could write it as minus 2 root 2 by 1. This is equal to minus, what is 2 root 2? 2 root 2 is nothing but coefficient of x, right? Then coefficient of x by, and 1 is nothing but coefficient of x square, right? I could write here coefficient of x square. One relation is satisfied. Next, alpha beta equal to minus 3 root 2 into root 2. This is equal to minus 6. I could write it as minus 6 by 1. This is equal to constant by coefficient of x square. This is also satisfying. Okay, that means we could write as both zeros are satisfying the principle of polynomial. So minus 3 root 2 and root 2 are zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, now the next mathematics number 2. Mathematics number 2 is q is a function of x equal to root 3 x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3. First I have to factorize this. Now 7 root 3 into root 3 equal to how much? Equal to 21. Here root 3 and 7 root 3. Now this is equal to 3 into 7, where 3 plus 7 equal to 10. I have to calculate by adding these two factors. So I got the factors 3 and 7. So I could write 3x square plus 3 plus 7 into x plus 7 root 3 equal to root 3x square plus 3x plus 7x plus 7 root 3 equal to root 3x into x plus root 3 plus 7 into x plus root 3. This is equal to root 3x plus 7 x plus root 3. Now to get the zeros, this should be equal to 0. So root 3x plus 7 into x plus root 3 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 7 by root 3 or minus root 3. Let alpha equal to minus 7 by root 3 and beta equal to how much? Minus root 3. Right. Now from the principle, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 by root 3 minus root 3. This is equal to root 3 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 by root 3. We could write it as minus of coefficient of x of the polynomial by coefficient of x square of the polynomial. Okay, that means this condition is satisfying. Okay, and another condition, alpha beta equal to minus 7 by root 3 into minus root 3 equal to how much? Equal to plus 7. Okay, this I could write as 7 root 3 by root 3. This is also equal to constant by coefficient of x square. That means these two zeros are satisfying the principle of polynomials. So I could say minus 7 by root 3 and minus root 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial, right? Now the next question, serial number 3, where g is a function of x equal to a into x square plus 1 minus x into a square plus 1. First, I have to convert it as a polynomial in the form of quadratic form, because here highest exponent of x is 2. So I could write it as ax square plus a minus a square x minus x equal to ax square minus x into a square plus 1 plus a, right? So this is a quadratic form of a polynomial. This to get the zeros, I have to first factorize this polynomial. Okay, now ax square plus a minus a square x minus x equal to ax square minus a square x plus a minus x equal to ax into x minus a minus 1 into x minus a equal to ax minus 1 x minus a. To get the zeros, this should be equal to 0. So ax minus 1 into x minus a equal to 0. So x equal to 1 by a or a. Let alpha equal to 1 by a and beta is equal to a. So alpha plus beta equal to how much? 1 by a plus a. This is equal to a square plus 1 by a. I could write it as minus of minus a square plus 1 by a. This is equal to minus of coefficient of x. See, here coefficient of x is minus a square plus 1 and here also minus a square plus 1. Okay, that means it is correct. Now a is nothing but coefficient of x square. Similarly, alpha beta equal to 1 by a into a. This is equal to 1. Okay, this I could write as a by a, where a is constant and a is another a is coefficient of x square. So I could write it as constant by coefficient of x square of the polynomial. So as 1 by a and a are satisfying the principle of polynomials, so I could write 1 by a and a are polynomials zeros, right? Okay स्टूडेंट, आशा रखता हूं कि आप लोगों को ये 3 मैथमेटिक्स समझ में आया होगा। अगर कुछ भी डाउट है तो मुझे मेरा व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू और ईमेल आईडी के थ्रू कांटेक्ट कीजिए, मैं आपका डाउट जरूर क्लियर करेगा। आगे भी बहुत सारा मैं वीडियो में डिफाइंड पॉलिनोमियल का डिफाइंड लेवल का मैथमेटिक्स करके दिखाऊंगा। और आगे का वीडियो देखने के लिए इस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और अगर इस वीडियो का आपको अच्छा लगा तो जरूर लाइक कीजिए। ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन के लिए हमारा वेबसाइट www.noesisonlinetutor.com में जाके लॉगिन करके आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, और मेरा जो ईमेल आईडी एंड व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिया गया है उसके थ्रू भी ऑनलाइन कोचिंग के लिए आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।